Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set sleep time on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is, find the settings. Okay, go to settings. In settings, find the display. Okay, go to display. In display, okay, you can see the sleep. Okay, the sleep time is set into 30 seconds. And okay guys, to change it, you'll have to do is stop the sleep. And the pop-up are show. Now you can see the option. Okay, you can change the sleep time into 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. And okay guys, I decide to set into 10 minutes. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set sleep time on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.